Hello and welcome to GraphixCALC Sign Estimator 3.1. In this video we're going to show you how to sync several computers. Whether you choose to use Google Drive, Dropbox, your own server, or any other type of cloud platform, this is the approach you would take. You're going to download GraphixCALC from the website and you're going to make sure that it is on your local C drive. GraphixCALC, the program, the application, cannot go on a server or the program will not work. Yes, the database can go there but not the program. So once it's here on your C drive, you're going to double click it. It will create your Setup.exe folder. And then you're going to double click. Sometimes when I'm creating a video, it may take 20, 30, 40 seconds for this to launch, so just give it a moment. You can tell it's thinking. And if you hear kind of a loud sound, for some reason in the last couple of days my computer's, the fan's been a little loud. I have to have that looked at. Alright, it's still thinking. On yours, it may take 30 seconds. But like I said, sometimes when I create a video, it seems to just take a little bit longer. But it's a big program. Okay. Any moment now. Alright, so here we go. Yes, we are the unknown publisher, so you want to say yes. Now it's going to prepare for installation. Okay. And we're going to hit next. We're going to accept the license agreement. And this is important. Okay. You will always want to have a full install for the main computer. What that has is that has the database. For the other computers, you're going to choose Workstation. Workstation does not have the database. So when you open up those other computers with the Workstation, you'll get a screen basically that says, where's your database? And it will ask you to select one and you will navigate to where we're going to put the database. Okay? So main computer gets full, all the others get Workstation. Let's hit next. This is important, like I said, it must be on your local drive. Okay, if you see here it's on network, it will not work. Okay, let's hit next. Let's hit next again. Let's install. Let it run through its process. And let's hit finish. And let me just double check and make sure there's no step after that. I believe that's pretty much it. Okay, so we have GraphixCALC right here. I'm going to double click it to open it. Now, because I already have a database inside my program, it has already synced. You'll probably get something that if you look at the video that's called Setting Up, that is where when you first install it, you'll be putting in your company information. So you want to look at that first. You're going to put in your company information, your employee, your overhead expenses. So take a look at the Setting Up video first. Once you've done that, then this is the step that you would take second to sync all the computers. So let's go to Setup. Let's go Backup Database. Yes, it's going to close. We'll have to reopen it. Say yes. And now what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to where we want to put it. I'm going to put mine in my Google Drive. And I have a folder I've already created here. It's called GSE Backups 2017. And I'm going to say OK. And this is how we go ahead and we label our files. It's the year 2017. It's April 7th. So you can actually rename that if you like later on. However, I've seen this done before. You will corrupt your file and you will destroy your database if you do anything here. You must leave that .accdb. All right, so let's say OK. Once we go ahead and we say OK, that is where the other computers that you download, that you've created the workstation for, and you open up, will ask you where's the database, and you will navigate to that. So let's say OK. All right, so we have to reopen it. I'm going to kind of simulate what it might look like for a workstation. I cannot do that on one computer. So let's go on ahead, and if this was a workstation computer, now that you've set it up on the Google Drive, you know where to go for it. On the workstation one, this is the window that you would actually get. Okay. On your workstation, when you open it up, this window will pop up. And I believe right here it says this form allows you to manually choose a new database location if you are renaming the backup. I believe the window that you get is it's the same here. I just think the verbiage is a little different, like no backend, you know, would you like to locate it? And then yes, you're going to come here. See, this one is defaulted here. You're going to come to select your new database. You're going to go to your Google Drive. And you're going to navigate to that new one that you just created, to 2007 April 7th. 2017 April 7th. Okay? So I hope that basically shows you how to go ahead, have the full version on the main computer, download the workstation version, and on the main computer you back up your database onto your Google Drive, your server, and on your workstation when you open up and you get that window, you navigate here, and that's it. You're good. So we hope you've enjoyed this video. We hope it got you to where you need to be, and we look forward to lots of updates and lots of success for you. Thank you very much. Let's close that out.